Get a chicken with an egg.
Oh, no, not in here. That shit stinks. Get rid of it. Oh, that's on recording, you know.
Huh?
Get that fucker out of there.
What?
Get that fucker out of there.
Try to bite me.
Rotten eggs. Watch out. Oh! God damn, that thing just popped.
Give her a screw.
You see that shit? That shit's crazy. That shit just popped.
You look at it. Oh, look. It's attacking the stick.
Okay.
Hold on. Come here and get this.
Hold on. I was... Oh!
Get out!
That's animal cruelty right there.
Please, pregnancy. Get out!
Yeah, swoop him out of there.
Here, give him a nail to the ass. Nail to the ass.
Swoop out of there.
Dude, don't give up his eggs.
Swoop her out of there. Get her by the tail.
Rex, ready? Ready?
Wait. Go. Go. Yeah, there you go. Get on. Get on, bitch. We got that on recording. Oh, hell no. No, be careful with those. They're nasty. Oh.
What was that? Crunch.
Don't. Yeah, that's me. I'm dry heaving right now. That's horrible. You're wrong for that. You're so wrong for that. Oh, God. I ain't coming back there. Yeah? Hell no. Fuck you. Hell, motherfucker, nigger, no. You clear that thing. Hey, no, please don't, fool. Don't play. Alright. That's hell no. That fool just tried to almost throw that at me right now. Oh, you're gonna stink. Oh shit. Get the rest of them. No, get the rest of them. Cause they're gonna try to move back in there.
I already got one.
You did? We'll pull that box out real quick. I can't go back there now, fool. I throw up. I just did.
I can't get that one back.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. I would help you, bro, but you had to bust some eggs. I wouldn't have busted them eggs. That shit was crazy. I'm not going in yet. I'll stay out here while you do it. I just can't be throwing up like that. Whew, that shit killed me. I'm still, all right.